sometimes cash like money. So today we're gonna do an AliExpress haul. I only got a few things to show you guys. And before we get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? Okay, first, these nails right here I got from AliExpress, and these rings. So I'll show you here. Super cool. They came in a 3-pack like this. They were literally $1. You can't beat that at all. What? Okay. So then did I get the necklace? Oh, and then this necklace here, the 222 necklace, and a couple of dollars. So I got this necklace here. It's super cute. Yep. And then I got, like I said, these nails, and then I got this so cute Chucky shirt from there. They take forever to ship, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but this shirt is so cute. I wear it today. It's kind of like a crop top on me, honestly, because Asian sizes run pretty small. So if you do get it and you're like a medium, get a size up, get like a large, and if you're small, get a medium, because they do run pretty small. But it's so cute. Chucky Charms. I thought that was cute. And then I got this too. I will post a picture. And then I think I'm gonna do a video on like how to be an Instagram baddie and like how to get clothes on AliExpress that your like Instagram models wear and like how to style them and stuff. So I think I'm gonna do a video like that tomorrow. Thumbs this up if you want a video like that, or comment down below if you want any of the links to any of the stuff. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and subscribe here, and just DM me on Instagram and I will send you the links to where I got the stuff. Okay? If you guys want to know how to find designer dupe stuff from AliExpress, leave a comment and I will do a video like that too, because I'll show you how you find designer like replicas or dupes on AliExpress. It takes a while to ship, honestly. I have bought dupes from there before. They're pretty credible, but you have to be careful because some of them are fraudulent. So if you want to know how to do it, leave me a comment. All right, so I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Bye.